this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have iPhone 14 Plus. Here we go, guys. You see iPhone 14, lovely looking box. Magnificent, elegant. Let's turn here. You have more information of Apple. Here I have all the boxes from last generation of iPhone 11. You can see here 12 and 13. So the boxes of 12 and 13 are similar as the 14. Although this is 14 Plus, so that's why it's bigger. So almost similar. Apple returned back to this design you see as 12. So lovely looking box, not as you see 11 and 13 are similar, 12 and 14 are similar. Lovely looking box though. Here is iPhone written, here Apple logo, here again iPhone. Beautiful looking box. You don't have more plastic cover those things since iPhone 12 I think or 13. They don't have more plastic all that. So since iPhone 13 I think. So you have new kinds of sticker here. You have to take this out. So without any further ado, I'm gonna take this off from here, this part. See? Gone from the top as well. Perfect, good. So let's take this off. Here we go. Let's come out slowly, slowly. Wow, beautiful phone. The size is magnificent. It's a big phone in this case. So here you can see iPhone 13 in front of it, how it is. And iPhone 12 as well I have here. You can see how it is. Lovely. And one more iPhone I have here. iPhone 11 before taking out. Wow. So you can see side by side all different generation of iPhone. Not only that, the size I think is close to Ultra version of Samsung. This is Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So let's take this out, this magnificent beast. Here we go. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful color, light blue. I didn't know this would look this much beautiful. I thought it would not be this beautiful, but really lovely phone. The size is magnificent, better than the small one, because iPhone 14 is the similar phone as the last time. So here we go. I will take this off from here. Wow, so lovely. Let's go little bit here. You have physical button, power button or lock unlock button. You have one antenna line. Here you have another antenna line at the bottom. You can see this is lightning connector. They should come to the C port, but whatever, Apple is still continue with lightning connector. You can see two speaker gray, one place I think 6, another place 4 holes, an antenna line. Surprise, surprise, we're in Europe. You can see we still have physical SIM in iPhone 14. Sorry American people, you don't have this anymore. So lovely here to have a physical SIM inside. Obviously you can add virtual SIM. You have volume rocker key, you see up and down. Here you have mute button as all the iPhone. And the back side the Apple logo, the famous Apple logo, and you have two cameras. They are both of them 12 megapixel. So no upgrade for iPhone Plus version, because this Plus version, if I'm not wrong, after iPhone 8 Plus is disappear Plus version. So we have again this version. So without any further ado, let me hit the power button to start this phone. I hold little bit. Here you see the famous Apple logo, beautiful. Dark color background and the white Apple logo, and the phone is booting. You see hello iPhone 14. So this is unboxing, guys. In my next video I'm gonna make a setup of this phone, and not only that, I'm gonna make an Apple ID, and in future I'll make review and comparison with all the iPhones, even with the Samsung phone. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, boy.